everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great today. This design is going to be the second part of what if we made this cute, super cute skeleton. Look at the head, and it's a quick link, so that way I have this little skinny nose. Now what happens if instead of a quick link for the head, we use a round balloon? So that's kind of the experiment, because using the round balloon also can be a choice. This is using a round balloon, for example. Now, the difference also, I add here more of what is 260, 260, 260. It can be changes, yes, always. But let's see. So the good thing about this is just, the idea of experimenting, twist, make it or not making, change things, and create characters with any, details you add or you take out of a design that I share here for all of you. So let's start it. I'm using white because I wanted to see if this can be still looking as a skeleton. So a lot of things already, you've seen it in the other. We're gonna make the middle apple twist. That's, I think, what I call this type of, it's not a complete apple twist, it's gonna be just middle way. So I want to make sure I will have also round for the eyeballs. Now you can use red for red eyeballs. That's cool for Halloween. Why not? Even orange. But I'm going to use all white. And let's see what happens. So for the eyeballs, I recommend you inflate it like approximately 3 finger big. Look. And that's already big enough, okay? Something small. Because it's eyeballs, you can split them this in half. And this is gonna be ready for when you attach it to the rest of the body. So you have it there kind of ready. Things, keep it there. Let's do this. Now, you want this guy to have hair. You can always make sure about that in this moment, because this is the round balloon inflated close to the nozzle. Now this brand, I think is different. That's why it had this shape. Also, it's a little bit bigger of the palm of my hand, just because I don't want it to be too small, the head. So let's see what happens. Squish all the air. It's a merry opportunity. It doesn't gonna have hair for me, this skeleton. Unless you want it to be as a zombie, then you can add hair. So you make the apple twist with all this bunch on top. So then you remember the trick, grab it from here. And now keep holding it while you're gonna be twisting this. So look, I'm gonna be twisting while holding what you grab, and I'm using my chest and accommodating the shape I want. And look, I have it, and look, this bubble is not really even that big. It's just a little small bubble. Which I like about this kind of apple twist is these angles, these shapes, It's a little bit different than if you just make it with a round balloon there. You see? Look. Okay, so this little bubble is gonna be the connection here for these eyeballs. Okay? So you just put the eyeballs there and kind of twist. So then you have their eyeballs. So if you want now, you accommodate the way you want it. So you want the cranium to be like this, so now you can see eyeballs. So this bubble is that small that you don't need to keep it as the nose. It can be now job of the 260. We're gonna use inflated like 8 finger tail to make those details. So in order to make this kind of like, let's see, experimenting, but also at the same time trying to find something fast, I'm gonna start making one arm. Then I'm gonna go to the neck and then going up, do whatever I wanna do with the face, and then go down. And let's see if I can make a loop and then go with the other arm. Let's see. I know I'm asking too much, but let's see what happens. You can make a 3-pinch twist. Let's see. I know I'm pushing a lot this design, but let's see what happens. Now you have this 3-pinch twist. Then let's make it not that big. So let's make 3 finger bubble. Then I'm gonna make a pinch twist. And now I noticed that because of the shape, you maybe just need to make only 1 pinch twist, and then things are gonna go up and down. So let's go like a 2 finger bubble, go up, and go to this connection where is the 5-inch round eyeballs, plus the little bubble, go there around, and then you look at your design and see. That's when I'm looking at my design and see, should I make a little bit of cheeks or you just go and make a little mouth there, and that's it. And this is a nose, but it's too lower. Should I keep it out and maybe here pass a little loop, so you can examine what you prefer. And actually, that's not that bad. Look, if you have this up to fingers, okay, you are here, then you can make like a soft and squishable loop that goes around this little bubble from that 5-inch round middle apple twist. We have a little bubble there, and then you just go around soft and squishable. Just soft and squishable go around. It's gonna have a very interesting detail there. So I'm just passing around the eyes, and then I'm gonna go down. So you're gonna get something like this. Look at this, and I like it. Look at that. So it's kind of hard. I know I went with white, but it's not that bad. Just make one loop around that little bubble, and let's give it already this shape of a skull. Skull. Cráneo. I love it. Now, when you are here, you can decide to go down another 2-finger bubble like this one, because you have to get down until you are in here. So then you accommodate things in proper position. So it can be one bubble on top of the other one in front, right, like this. That way, I think it's gonna keep things more stable. And then, look, I went with only one pinch twist for the neck, and I think it's okay. I like it. Now we still have all this to make a loop. Make it a small, no more than 4-finger bubble loop. And with the rest, ladies and gentlemen, we will have enough to go with a 3-finger bubble and then 3 pinch twists. Oh my goodness. You see these moments? These moments are so cool, right? I love it because we are experimenting together. I don't know what is going to happen, but you just try. And that's what you should do too. So you just play with this technique of the middle apple twist, put the eyeballs, and then play with another balloon. It can be a 260, a 160. It may be easy with a 160. So experiment those things. It's the fun part. Now, pinch twist. Then you keep making another. If it's getting tight, remember, you can always, well, people say, professional balloon twister says, don't use your teeth. If you're practicing, whatever it makes you comfortable. I'm sharing my secrets with you. I'm ashamed because I'm gonna make a hole with my teeth. But when you're in public, if you want, or I don't know, because also of COVID, you know, and it looks much cleaner, you can use a pin, you can use your nail and pop this, but you need to lose the air very slowly. So this works great for me. I just make a little small hole, and it's kind of like losing the air, and you calculate, you just need here 2 pinch twists. So you calculate something like, let me see, like this. And then I'm gonna tighten. Remember, things doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to make pinch twist, pinch twist, pinch twist. You can make a little loop and a pinch twist. You know, you can change things. The most important thing for me is to open that excitement for you to experiment. That will be my goal. That will be, you know, like the best part, that you know, kind of keep that excitement for balloon twisting. And this is awesome. I love it. I love this creature. It's already, I can see it, so cute, beautiful. Now, the rest, to make this faster, and because I already show you, you just have another balloon, make 2 loops, pinch twist. You can make 5, 6 petals, or just 2 petals and a pinch twist, and that's it. And then you just pass it through here. Very easy, very simple. You can make long legs, or you can just make short legs. Look, this design, the cool part is just what? 3 balloons and a half. 2 balloons rounds, 5-inch round, and 1 balloon 260, and another white balloon 260, but just probably halfway, because all this you can save it for another design. So now it's just, you know, for another pair of legs. So that's the cool part. You see, it's something elaborated, but at the same time, you don't use many balloons. And look at that. Now, Sharpie time. Let's make the same thing I did, because I like that type of decor. That you just make eyes, leave a hole in the center. You can leave 3 dots to make it even cuter. As of course, Remember, things doesn't have to be perfect. You just do your best. Enjoy, have fun. You can make some eyebrows in there, the lines for the skull if you want. Here I'm gonna make this time something like two triangles, and let's see what happens, more like a skull. Okay, then the smiley face, I don't know you, but I enjoy making that cutie, crazy teeth split, and some then just cover the spaces, the empty spaces that are not teeth, and there we go. Remember, just try and do your best. Have fun. Make silly things. That's totally fine because it's white. This is the cool thing. You don't need to color the teeth. Now, if you have more time, this I think will be cute. Making some buns. Maybe just here. I already did before, and it can take time. Trust me. If you teach this to kids older than 9 years old, probably, I think you can let them use your Sharpies, and think they will love to do this piece, okay? Especially if you keep a picture as a menu, they will love to do this Sharpie time. I know you are looking already what I'm making, because I love making videos, editing, and so you have the picture of the design already there. So if you are fast enough, you can already just copy what is there. What about red eyes? Why not? You see, this is the fun. Do whatever you want. Red eyes to make it more crazy. Okay, I'm just passing some around, and you will see. Now, time to show both. Look at this. Look at that. I made it with shorter legs, which I think is adorable. Or you can make it with a little bit longer legs. It's up to you. A lot of things can change. The quick link, I think, made this head, this cranium bigger, but I think both are adorable. Both works great. So I hope you enjoy it. You make it, share it on your Instagram, your Facebook, your social media, and please, if you can, tag me so I can see that you made it. It may be tricky, this technique, but always practice. Remember, as less air you put in a round balloon, it's going to be easier to twist this middle twist. But with practice, you will find the trick. And I hope I can see you in person. I'm super excited because I know there's coming great news. I'm going to be at Austin, Texas this Monday, and I'm going to be sharing, what is the best about being in person. As I share a lot of videos, I make it with all, my good vibes, and I hope people can understand the videos, but I know in person, we can repeat and show you, and you can see exactly from different angles what I'm doing, and that's will be the goal in the future for you too, if you can make it into a balloon convention. Now, that will be awesome, because it's been an experience that I'm just experimenting. My first Bling Bling Jam, my first balloon convention, I was so excited, and it was even better than what I was expecting. That's what I'm thinking. I'm going back. So it's totally, I recommend it to you. Now I'm going to Austin, Texas. I'm going to tell you everything, how it was, but I'm sure it's going to be awesome. You see, I'm going with the best vibes, because I know they told me this balloon convention is Austin, Texas. It's a small convention, but with great people, very nice. So I feel like, that must be, the place to go and meet also other balloon twisters. There's going to be also face painters, and so that will be fun to meet them. Okie dokie, I'm leaving now. Have a wonderful day, and this is the second part. I hope you like it. Now let's do this in Spanish. Should I? I know there's not many people really watch the videos in Spanish, and I think I'm kind of like, making double. It's a lot of work. I love making videos, but I was like, oh man. And I had to say balloons, Remember, on the description of all my videos, you can always collaborate with this channel to make it much better. Sending balloons, donate it to my Venmo or PayPal account. Everything is very well appreciated. I also have an Amazon wish list. Anything from there, it means that I need it. So it will be very well appreciated if you can donate and make this channel much better. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.